Hi, my name is Piyush Chavan. I'm currently 19 years old. I'm riding for Scott Sports India since the past 1 year. I'm typically into downhill mountain bike racing and I've been riding since the past 8 years. I got into the sport when I saw a few guys just riding down the hill and I was in a football team. I didn't get really selected there, so I thought, mountain biking was much more broader than running behind a ball in a field. So that gave me the motivation and the push to go out and explore on my bike. Since then, I've been doing a lot of races. I started racing professionally since 2011. I did my first international race in Nepal, where I was positioned 19th in the juniors. Then, since I won the BBC Edge downhill race, I won the Himachal DH Trophy in 2014. And recently this year, I had a chance to ride the British Downhill Series in the World Cup track of Fort William in UK. I've been around the international scene since a while now. So this was in 2014 when I had won my first Himachal DH Trophy, which was like a elite level race, and all these contestants from the fast guys from Nepal and stuff had come down, and it was a crazy competition. And I wasn't hoping to do well in that, but a few days before the practice, it was raining tons, and I did almost 8 runs that day. In each and every run I crashed. In the seeding I qualified second. That was a good insight. I thought that if I just pushed a little bit harder I could take the win. But Mangal Lama, who is from Nepal, he was at least 3 seconds ahead of me, and in downhill racing 3 seconds is a lot. Before a final run I was just very calm, and that's something I've never experienced before, because every time I race I get nervous, but that race was different because I felt like I could just do it and just go out and have fun. So I was there at the start line, like it was 30 seconds to go, and I just took a deep breath. Soon enough, the guy said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you just have to go. Flow mixes up with adrenaline. That's the same way I went down. Like I wasn't thinking about the time or the mistakes I was making or anything. I was just styling each and every jump and roosting every turns and stuff like that, and trying to get inside corners as quick as possible, and just pretty much manualing everything and just going with the flow and having fun. Once I was reaching the finish line, there was a huge crowd which was cheering, and I couldn't even hear it because I was completely zoned out in that whole thing until I crossed the finish line. And I reached pretty far after that finish line, only to realize, okay, you've been faster. So I came back and we just checked the time sheet, and I was 7 seconds faster than Mangal Lama. So that was a huge deal for me, and I couldn't believe it. So I threw my shades and everything in the air. I was like, yeah, I won it, Adventure is all about pushing limits for me. It's like you wouldn't want to wake up to a day which does not challenge you. So that's what I look forward to doing every time I get on my bike. Going over jumps and stuff, dodging trees, rocks and whatnot. So it's all about your reaction. You're practically not thinking, you're just completely in that moment and just reacting to whatever comes to you. So that way it just helps you zone out of everything else and just be there and just feel everything all at once. It's like adrenaline combined with flow, and that's just a beautiful feeling. I think you just have to try it out to experience it for yourself.